I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to cancel your HBO Max subscription through the app, follow these steps to make it easy. Step 1. Open the HBO Max app. Launch the HBO Max app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to cancel. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to subscriptions. In the account settings, look for the subscriptions option and select it. This will show you your current subscription details. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Find the option to cancel your subscription and tap on it. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Be aware that if you don't see the cancel option, it might be due to the subscription being billed through a third party like Apple or Google. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After cancellation, you should receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check your email for a cancellation confirmation as well. I hope this helps you navigate the cancellation process smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.